Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, honey.
You're up early today.
Yes, it's a big day.
Really? What's happening?
Just a lot of work.
Coffee is ready.
It smells great.
Here's your cup.
Thank you. You're so sweet.
Do you want some toast?
No time today.
Why the rush?
I have a meeting at 8.
Okay, drive safely.
Wait, one question.
What is it?
Do you have plans tonight?
Tonight? Let me think.
Will you be home?
I have yoga class.
All right, yoga.
I'll be a little late.
That's fine.
Why do you ask?
No reason, just asking.
All right, go now.
See you tonight.
He thinks I forgot, but I didn't forget.
Hey, Tom, nice tie.
Thanks, Dave. You look happy today.
I am happy.
Why? What's the reason?
It's my anniversary today.
Oh, wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
How many years?
10 years today.
That's amazing. Did you buy a gift?
Yes, everything is ready.
What did you get her?
Red roses, they're her favorite. And I booked dinner.
Where are you going?
A new Italian restaurant.
That place is fancy.
She loves romantic places.
What about the food?
The steak is great, and the seafood looks amazing.
Did you tell her?
No, it's a surprise.
She'll love it.
I hope so.
Good luck, my friend.
Hello, can I help you? Yes, please. I'm looking for a man's watch.
Is it a gift?
Yes, for my husband. What style does he like? Simple and classic. How about this one? It has a blue face. Let me see. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a famous brand. It looks expensive. We have a sale today. Really? That's lucky. The price is very good. I'll take it. Would you like gift wrapping? Yes, please. Gold or blue paper? Blue. He likes blue. Perfect. He'll be surprised.
One more balloon. The room looks nice. I should start cooking.
Sarah, I'm home.
Already? You're early.
No time to explain.
Is something wrong?
Nah, everything's fine.
Why are you changing clothes?
Put this on.
My red dress? Why?
We're going out.
But I planned dinner.
Forget cooking, just trust me.
Okay, give me 5 minutes. Where are we going?
It's a surprise.
Is it far?
About 30 minutes,
That's far.
but it's worth it.
Please drive slowly.
Don't worry, I'm careful.
You look very handsome.
And you look beautiful.
I like this song.
I played it for you.
Can I guess the place?
Go ahead.
The French Bistro?
Nope.
Downtown?
Maybe, maybe not.
You're very mysterious. Wait, I know this road.
Do you recognize it?
Are we going to Mario's?
You're smart.
I knew it.
We're here.
Wow, it's crowded.
I booked the table.
You planned all this?
For weeks.
I thought you forgot.
How could I forget? Happy anniversary, Sarah.
Oh, the roses.
Red, your favorite.
I have a surprise too.
For me?
Yes, open it.
A watch. The blue one.
Do you like it?
I love it.
Put it on.
It fits perfectly.
You look great.
Thank you, honey. We made it.
Made what?
10 years together.
10 happy years.
Ready to order?
Yes, I'm hungry.
What do you want?
The steak set.
Good choice. And some red wine?
Yes, let's celebrate.
To us.
To us, forever.